I don't want to go out there. I don't want to go out there. Move. Give my umbrella, man. Open it up. Can you open it up, please? I don't want to go out there. Get the hell out of the way. Ah! Get your ass over here. What the fuck? Man, bring your ass on. I hate the rain. I ain't take a bath in 30 days. I want to be funky. Pass the soap. Pass the soap. Where the hell are you? I see you ain't washed your ass in a long time either.
I took a bath yesterday.
All right. Do I need a federal judge to declare that you watch? I could. Get that video. That motherfucker told you, he said, oh shit, phone get wet. Phone get wet. Traffic. It was crazy out here. We can't do that. We can come back in 30 minutes.
No, I want to be.
We come back in 30 minutes, man, when the rain slow down. Come on, man. For a goddamn dollar, the dollar store. I see what they call it, a goddamn Dollar Tree. And bring your little ass on. Oh shit! You wet my fucking dog, bitch. What the fuck? Come on, man, that's sewer water, man. Come on. Rat piss, dog shit, housing piss, city shit. Your feet is drenched in that dog shit. You enjoying this shit, ain't you? KD having videos, baby, if you look at it too fucking much, it will fuck up your brain. KD having video, crazy other videos, remarkably insane. Ha 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 ha. What the fuck you ain't laughing about?
You didn't let me buy my noodles.
Good. We coming back out.